Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best air fryer oven that are available on the market.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, the COSORI air fryer oven. And lastly, the number 1 place on our list of best air fryer ovens goes to no other than the COSORI Smart Air Fryer. This high-performing air fryer oven has everything you could wish for in a multifunction cooker. You can now cook your food in 11 different ways. And that too, with minimum effort and time involved. This air fryer cooks your food crispier and tastier while drastically cutting down on the time taken. From a great look to great tasting and healthy food, this product shines in all categories. Unique to the COSORI air fryer, a helpful shake reminder, letting you know when to shake the contents for an even fry. Try the keep warm function if you need your food well kept for a while. At number 4, the GoWise USA GW44800 air fryer oven. GoWise makes yet another appearance on this list, but this time at rank 2. The USA GW44800 1700-watt digital air fryer oven looks as great as it performs. With this air fryer oven, you can fulfill all your frying, grilling, baking, and roasting needs. The best part? It requires little to no oil to prepare the most delicious foods. With its LCD display and an easy-to-use touchscreen, it is extremely convenient. This air fryer oven is best for beginners and pro chefs alike. At number 3, the Ninja AF101 air fryer oven. When cooking is not your forte, make the challenge easier by purchasing the Ninja AF101 air fryer oven. Using this device for your daily cooking will have you fall in love with the process. Use this to dehydrate your food, fry it with a healthier twist, or cook crispy and healthy foods for your midnight snack. With this one cooker in your kitchen, you can prepare your foods in multiple new ways. With a 4 QT capacity, 4 functions, and dozens of recipes included, this is the best thing a beginner at cooking could get. At number 2, the Cuisinart TOA60 Convection Oven Air Fryer. If you are looking for a one-time buy, then our number 4 is the one for you. Made with premium quality materials, this durable air fryer oven will last you a lifetime. The optimal cooking capacity of this air fryer is surely one to be talked about. It is perfect for small and medium-sized families and fulfills all your cooking needs. There are much different cooking style this one device works in. To ensure your safety and to prevent the food from burning accidentally, there is an adjustable thermostat on the oven. There is also a timer so you do not have to manually shut off the power after cooking is done. At number 1, the GoWise USA GW44800 electric air fryer oven. The GoWise 12.7-quart air fryer oven is another product worth mentioning. This is the product to purchase when you have a large family to feed. This air fryer oven combines the need for a large cooking space with the availability of a small area to do the cooking. With a 12.7-quart capacity, the compact design ensures that you are making the most out of a small kitchen. The built-in rotisserie allows you to prepare lavish dinners quickly and conveniently. Perfect for fancy dinner parties and everyday dinners alike, this 15-in-1 electric air fryer will serve you well on every occasion.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.